class 205 means 75. Automatic camera. Okay, so here, see, again we have same microcontroller means microprocessor unit or say microprocessor system, whatever you say, plus sensors and then drivers. Sensors, their interfacing or input signal conditioning circuit, then output signals means output signal conditioning, yes, okay, means drivers, and then you have output devices or actuators. So in automatic camera you have main parts as these: lens motor. Okay, where is lens motor? See, this is lens motor. This is for the film to advance. Okay, for the next film. Okay, this is for this is solenoid. This is a motor, and this is motor drive. This is just a door. Okay, and a solenoid is enough to control it. Again, this is similar to that. Here, lens should move to and fro. Hence, you need a motor. Again, here aperture means opening. Okay, how much you need. That also you need motor. So all these things are there. Right. Now, modern camera has automatic focusing and exposure. You just switch on the camera and point it to the object which is being photographed. The microprocessor will automatically focus just by sensing the signal from range sensor. Okay, there is a range sensor, and then what it will do is it will give signal to the lens motor, means lens drive motor. Okay, lens motor, it will give signal to the lens drive, lens position drive, that will drive the motor. Again, feedback signal from this, it will come to the here, this will be connected to this encoder in the lens motor, will give signal to the lens, will give signal to the microprocessor, by which microprocessor will understand, oh, motor has moved say 10 mm or say 1 mm, say. Again the range signal will sense now, is 1 mm enough or not, or not enough, okay, 2 mm, 3 mm. Like that microprocessor will do the closed loop control such that image is focused. Okay, then you have two selections here: aperture control mode and shutter control mode. See, when image of an object is taken, the amount of light which is going to be fallen on the photo, okay, that has to be controlled. If more light falls on the, say initially it was photographic plate, okay, now it is the digital screen inside. Okay, so if more light falls on it, then the image would be lightish. Okay, if lesser light falls on it, the image would appear darker. So for right image, right exposure is necessary. This exposure can be controlled by two methods: shutter controlled mode or aperture controlled mode. So you have all these actuators and sensors here. See, shutter sensor is there here. Okay, and this is for aperture. Okay, this is a main switch. Again, battery test whether battery is okay or not. Okay, so regarding shutter and aperture, okay, You after selecting, then you will press the start button or that button. Okay, when you press that button, it will take the photo. After that, it will give an output to the this motor, such that to advance for the next film, the photo taken will be stored in the memory. It can also be made to be visible on a computer screen. Now here some idea about the shutter control mode and aperture control mode. If you want, you can remember. Otherwise, no need to bother about that. What happens in shutter control mode is, see, you can control the amount of light falling on the image. That will be only for a very fraction of a second only. You will pass the image light. Otherwise, if light is falling continuously, you will not get any image there. So that is done by controlling the area of the light passage. That is called as aperture control mode. Okay, or shutter control mode. The duration for which the shutter is open. See, for example, in our eye, to control the amount of light falling onto our eye, we have two options. You can have your eyes fully closed and fully open. You can have that. Okay, how much you are opening, and the duration for which you keep your eye open. So one is how much percentage you are going to keep open. Second is for the duration for which you are keeping open. Okay. Similarly, say tap. Okay, if you have tap 10% open, okay, you will need say 10 seconds for filling the bottle. If you keep it 20% open, you will have 5 seconds. So if it is more aperture, then shutter speed will be faster. It will close faster. If you want more of this, you can learn from Google, or we will say we will take it at the end of the chapter, end of all the classes. If let us see it. Okay, so this is about automatic camera, and we have some applications or list of mechatronic systems. Okay, you can think of some 5 to 10. You can write yourself also.